Have you ever tried to put your water bottle in your cup holder and it simply won't fit? Or you're one of the crazies that bring an oversized coffee mug in the car? Well, I have the solution for you. This here is the Oversized Cup Holder by Z Precision. So obviously the main purpose of it is to hold oversized bottles. Whether you have a Hydroflask, a Yeti, a Nalgene, whatever it is, it will fit it. So this here is a standard size mug. This is a Starbucks one. Back here, we have the factory size, which fits this obviously. But the cool thing with this one as well is that it has an integrated kind of a reducer here that will snap in to your cup holder. This will fit your regular size one, so that way it doesn't rattle around too much, because if you try to put this in the bigger pocket, it moves a lot and it could spill. So there's that. But if you wanted to pop that out, there's a little finger hole down there that really helps pull that out easily. And then we have a Yeti. This is a 36 ounce Yeti water jug, which fits perfectly, very snug in there. So even if you were to hit it or anything, it wouldn't fall out. And then next we have the Hydroflask. This here is a 40 ounce, so a little bit bigger than the Yeti. Fits perfectly in there. This one is a little bit more roomy than the Yeti, but as you can see here, it still won't fall out. So now you have a spot for your oversized water bottles. Now, if you have an oversized mug or like a travel mug like this Hydroflask, it'll fit this as well. Unlike before, it doesn't fit it at all. So the install for this isn't as easy as just lifting this up and putting the new one in. Unfortunately, you do have to take the center console apart a little bit, but there's very minimal screws and bolts that you have to take apart in order to get this section out. But Z Precision provides you with all the brackets, the hardware needed to install this, and everything goes back in perfectly. You could probably have this done in about 15 minutes or so. So even though you do have to disassemble a lot of this, it's actually really easy. So you can find this oversized cup holder at runningfortacos.com. We will also be stocking these as well at our Denver location. So if you wanted to come in and pick one of these up, we will have that available for you. And we will also have the install link down below and on our product page, so that way you can easily find where and how to install this kit here. And if you're new here, subscribe to the channel, let us know what you guys want to see, and we'll see you guys next time.